found another wrecked VE Perfect Blue SV6. It's not the Z series model like the last one that you saw, but this one definitely can't be restored back to life, because have a look, that's twisted. And I am literally right now where the engine sits. It's a June 2012 build. Scratch here. Airbag deployed, as you can see. It was built 29th of June 2012. All the bits here, as you can see, all parts. Dent here. This must have been in a serious smash, because it's twisted at the front. This one's Perfect Blue. That's the Series 2, that one. You can tell by the center console. Yep, Series 2. That pillow's broken as well. Hard to take out those pillars. As you can see, cluster is gone. All the seats are gone, most of the center console, it's all gone. This car's pretty much stripped down. Just this bit to go, then the car will be pretty much stripped. And empty out all those parts as well. And this car can be crushed, turned into scrap metal. Yep, as you can see, all twisted. That didn't work. Have one more go. Nut didn't work. It's pretty much stripped. This whole car. It's a beautiful car, and it wasn't something you left in the shed and stored away and only drove occasionally, or not at all either. It was a nice car that's dailyable. How disappointing to see this sight.